Hello! In front of me I have Xiaomi Watch S1 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the upper button. After you wake up the screen, make sure you are on the home screen, the current watch face, and then press and hold on the screen to open the watch face menu, like this. In this menu, you can scroll through the list of watch faces by swiping left and right on the screen. Now, find the watch face you like to use on your watch and tap on it to select it and apply it. So, for example, this one, like this. You can also customize some of the watch faces. To do it, open the watch face menu. And as you can see, under some of the watch faces, we have the settings icon. Only one. And to customize it, tap on this settings icon. And here we can, I believe, tap on the widgets. Yes, basically we have the list of widgets right here. We can tap on them and change them to something else. As you can see, we can set calories, maybe battery, standing and weather, like that. And once you're done, you can tap on the check mark to confirm. And here we have our watch face. You can also change the watch face through settings. So you can wake up the screen on your watch by pressing the upper button, then press the upper button again to open the menu. In this menu, scroll down, find the settings icon and tap on it. And in the settings, you should see the watch faces option. You can tap on it. Let's wake up the screen, tap on the watch faces, and then you will see the watch face menu. You can find the watch face you like and tap on it to select it and apply it, of course. Another option or other way to change the watch faces is to use the phone application on the phone that is paired with your watch. So we can bring our phone right here and on it open the Mi Fitness application. In the app, let's tap on device icon and you should see the device page for your watch. Oh, now it's okay. So you should see the Xiaomi Watch S1 device page. On it, tap right here, the watch face option, select it. And you should see the local category. And you can find the watch face you like to use, tap on it, and then tap on apply to apply it on your watch. And that's how you change the watch face on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.